Hi there folks, it's Ralf with Stray Benzes. Today I've got a nugget for you that in one way, shape or form you most likely have encountered before as well, and that is the trunk lock. The automatic locking system doesn't engage from the trunk, but up front when you use either door with the key, the trunk locks, unlocks, but just when you want to do it here from the trunk, it just won't engage. So here's an episode about the automatic the trunk locking system, but also locks, the automatic locking system in general. Enjoy. What you need to do is, in order to get to the trunk lock, you pull this up gently, push it to the back, and then you've got this all loosened up and you can gain access to the back here. You pull the carpet back a little bit. Here I already have the switch disassembled, but I'll get to that in a moment, because these are the wires that are connected to the switch. So one thing that you need to make sure of, that it's not a wiring problem, fuse problem, or anything. It's something simple, and trust you me, go with a simple issue, or finding simple issues first. Make sure that you have like a tester in the yellow, I believe it's the yellow one, which is, there's a flat here, and right there is where the yellow one is, and here, see, I have power. See? So at least I know that this one is gonna work. And why didn't it work? The vacuum system seems to be in perfect order. It actuates this little lever here, and when maybe you can see it or maybe you cannot, but with it pulled back, the trunk won't open, and if it's pushed that way to the passenger side, all of a sudden the little tab goes. So the actuator, which I already took apart, is here. Consists of a couple of components that I tore apart, because one thing that I noticed is that the switch didn't switch. I freed it up a little bit. Normally I would now get myself a new one, because it's truly, in this occasion, it was the switch, because here the diaphragms, they're actually nice, pliable, still in working condition. So that's not the problem. And I was able to free it up. Only one way. There you go. And you can already hear the pump. And if I pull it back, I can hear the other side. So it works. Trouble found. Now I can go ahead and put it back into there it is. Back into the mounting position, get a new one, switch that out, and I've got the system working again. Alright folks, so there's another successful fix of the trunk lock. Don't be afraid to go and go the extra mile, go in there, clean everything up, make sure that you take care of rust spots and stuff like that, but make absolutely sure that the vacuum hoses are in tip-top shape, because if one leaks, they all won't work right. Alright, give me a thumbs up, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and well, happy wrenching, keep the classics on the road. Hi, take care.